take my school picture this year. My hair looks funny, my dress is ugly, and I'm smiling like a goon.
Hi, Laura, my little photogenic fox. It's that time of year again, the day everybody exchanges their school pictures.
Sorry, I don't think I can spare one, Steve. I only have 144.
Oh, I understand. I'll just stick around and stare at the real thing.
Here, take 2. And don't bother me next year.
Oh, thank you. I've got yours outside. Here you go, my sweet.
It's going to be hard getting that into my wallet.
Oh, no. There's 2 of them.